Hi guys, it's DK388 and today's video we've got the 15-inch Macbook Air with the latest Apple M3 chip. This is the 8GB memory model with 256GB of SSD storage. The chip itself is an 8-core CPU with a 10-core GPU. So let's get this cracked open. Straight off we've got the USB charger cable, some leaflets. Just give you a little close-up of the features of this laptop, and then we can run through each one as we unbox the actual laptop. So this is the power bank, or the adapter, 35 watt dual USB-C port, which is quite handy if you've got like a secondary device that needs charging. This is the USB-C MagSafe 3 cable, just under 2 meters, which is more than plenty. And then just unwrapping the protective film. This is the midnight finish with the aluminium shell, so it might be prone to fingerprints, we'll see. So just working our way around the laptop. On the right hand side you can see it's got the 3.5mm headphone jack, which I find quite unusual because you don't see that very often, especially on phones. And then we've got the front, we've got the scallop for the lid, and then on the left hand side we got the charging port, and then the 2 USB-Cs or Thunderbolt ports. If you've got any legacy devices, you might need to buy this sort of link adapter, sort of USB Type A to Type C for your devices. And then at the bottom we've got 4 large silicone rubberized pads. The weight of this naked is about 1.5 kilos, which is slightly less than a typical similar size machine. So as we lift this up for the first time, just take the screen protector off, the dust sheet, just let it boot up. As you can see on the top right, we've got the Touch ID button for your fingerprints, and then this is the 15.3-inch liquid retina display. LED backlit. I'll leave the resolution on the screen, and then you can see behind the glass is the 1080p HD camera. It's also got a very large trackpad, just under 6 inches wide and about 3 inches tall. And then the actual laptop itself, the dimensions just over 340mm wide and about 240 deep, and diagonally is about 410mm. Thickness is about 11mm, and straight out of the box it's got the Mac OS Somnia, and storage is about 210 available, so 34 is already used up. We also got this handy little sleeve we found on the Amazon website. I'll leave a link if you're in the UK, you can click on that. The covering it is water resistant, and it's also got one storage sleeve for your cables, USB sticks, etc. The internals are lined up, soft material. It's also got an external piping for your edge protection, and it's sort of double zipped as well. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in buying that. And then just a little close-up of the LED retina display screen. As you can see, it's quite a nice crisp display, and also just a shot of the backlit soft buttons, keyboard, which is a nice touch. And this is just a view of your Finder menu bar. As you can see, it's probably not showing up very well because it's quite dark, but thanks for watching. I'll just leave a shot of the Earth in orbit. So thanks again.